morning, how are you? My name's Edward Plant, founder of the Business League with my wife Rebecca Plant, and we're super excited to welcome you to our business breakfast on Wednesday the 6th of June. I'm just down here at Kangaroo Island. Let me just see if I can show you the beautiful sky we've got in the background there. Beautiful little sunrise. We're down here on holiday. We'll be back in time for the breakfast, and we're flying up Dave Tabane from Sydney for this event. It's going to be awesome. Motivation, inspiration. The guy's an absolute legend, and really excited to be sharing with you some of his stories, insights and business lessons. Now, basically, I just wanted to share with you what was going on at the breakfast so that you can get the most out of it, what you need to bring and how it rolls, to make you as comfortable as possible and get you meeting all the members and having a good time and a worthwhile time. So the breakfast, the doors open at 6:30. We start the breakfast at 7, and there's some free networking time between 6:30 and 7. 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock is the breakfast, and we normally break at half time, and at that time I'd love to say good day to you and just get to know you a little bit better and see how we can help you. We have some networking at the table, then we get Dave in to talk. We have a guest speaker every month, and the business owners we get are truly amazing. They've been Entrepreneurs of the Year, Telstra Business Award of the Year winners, and they just share their story, and we get them to talk about a specific thing that's relative and worthwhile for you right now. Bring heaps of business cards. There'll be some members at the door to welcome you and take you to coffee to get your first coffee hit for the day and look after you. So if you've got any questions, hit reply on the email that you've received. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you bright and early on Wednesday the 6th of June at Bond University. See ya.